It was in Vilnius that I was first called an anti-Semite, which has only happened once in my life. There was an American Jewish woman there whose family had been killed in that area. Her way of dealing with these emotions was to breed this hatred of Lithuanians. And that was really hard for me to see happen. You're learning about the Holocaust in a very intense way, and for people that have personal connections, like, having family members that were killed there, they're going through these very intense emotional, reckoning, sort of. And then, so this woman, throughout the month, her way of dealing with these emotions was to breed this hatred of Lithuanians. And that was really hard for me to see happen. And it happened with multiple people. I mean, it was also, of course, intensified because there was this incident of, these stupid neo-Nazi teenagers, tagged swastikas on the kahila. When people encounter the facts of a genocide, it's really hard not to antagonize, the oppressors, and then to separate the historical moment from the present when the historical moment feels so present is hard. I wrote a short story in Yiddish in one of my Yiddish classes, about my imagined family and how they helped rescue Jews, and I mean, it seems kind of silly, but I have to think about it that way because otherwise, I can't take on the guilt of something that's I don't even know is true, but I feel some of that. There's so much human tragedy there. It's not even just Jewish. It's I cried just as much as my Jewish friends when I was faced with these places, and maybe someone would be offended by that statement, but it's human tragedy. These people were massacred, and so I take that on as any human would.